With this bathroom, we're keeping it light and bright, but it's definitely not boring.
I don't have a favourite child, but I do have a favourite kids' room.
Sarah has put the kids' rooms on the southwest corner with a central main bathroom close by. All the kids' rooms are generously sized with walk-in robes, so they won't outgrow them anytime soon.
Each room feels private, but they're still conveniently located near the media room and my bedroom. So with this being a bedroom, and it does have this really big window in it, we still wanted privacy for our daughter. So we've put a double roller blind in on this window so she can have the block out at night time and then the sheer for privacy during the day.
Yeah.
All the kids have their own walk-in robes, so hopefully they can keep their rooms tidy. We've got the beautiful door here from Hume Doors and our handles in the matte black from Gainsborough Handles. For continuity, all the kids' rooms will have the same wall colour, and I'm going to introduce some fun and personality with their bed linen and some artwork. The carpet I have chosen is stain resistant, so it's very easy to clean and it has a 25-year warranty, so it's very high quality and it's going to stay looking clean.
Yep.
You lay down for a start.
It's great. Yeah. It meets the, what's this called when you do this?
The Heather test.
It meets the Heather test. It's great. Love it.
Exciting times. We're down here to select the bed head. So I've narrowed it down. I've got a couple of choices.
Yes, let's have a look.
So Miley's first.
Yep.
She has put a request in, like all good children do.
Yes, of course she has.
She wants something slightly grey, which I can work with and I'm happy with that. But we're going for a neutral. I think that's the winner. I was looking at this one here, which is a lovely grey, but for her room, I think I want to go a little bit lighter and just soften it. I'm really happy with this one. So this one here, really simple, really contemporary, very timeless. My 5-year-old son really did not want to give up his bunk bed. It was hard for him to give up, but it is not convenient for me to make a bunk bed. So we upgraded to a double bed, an ensemble. He loves his new room and he loves his bed now, and his new bed will see him through for many years. This is for Chloe's bedroom. So she's got a nice big room, lots of natural light. She would like to have something with the buttons. With this in her room is bluey greens and some whites.
Well, you know how much I love blues and greens, so
any of those all together just
they go
look
with
beautiful.
It. Yeah.
In my kids' bathroom, their bathroom is on the south side of the home, so it doesn't get as much natural light. I have chosen my matte white on my 3 walls, but I've changed their feature tiles to give it a little bit of a different look. So my feature tile I've chosen, it has a little bit of a caramel fleck through it, so it's a very natural looking tile. In my floor tile, they have the same tile, but it's in a slightly more caramel colour. And I'm thinking about for their bathroom, number one being that it's south side, not as much natural light, for going with the slightly lighter floor tile with the caramel colour through it to tie in with my wall tile. The reason why I have used the white is it looks great, it's timeless, but it's very cost effective.
Yeah.
And it has allowed me to then splurge a little bit with my feature tile with that slight differences to just make it a little bit more interesting than having every single bathroom exactly the same.
Yeah.
I'd taken that second bowl off and I'd made the choice to just have the one.
Yep.
There's the extra storage there, room.
I think that's absolutely the best decision you could have made to give yourself all that bench space.
I need to get some mattresses for the kids' rooms. To really get a good mattress, you need to try it out. You have to test it. I don't mind this job actually. What about that for Nate's room?
Yeah, because you've got those sheets that's got that deep grey.
Yes.
Yeah.
This for the girls' room. Win! We love a sale. So this mirror is for Chloe's room. So she's 10, she's had her 10th birthday and she's got a desk in her room.
Oh, yes.
And I just wanted to put a little mirror, something nice above it for her. I love this.
I know, I spotted that out the front. It's gorgeous.
It isn't it so cute?
Yeah.
And you know the perfect spot I'm thinking to put this is Miley's room. Perfect colour. She's got the mustards and the pinks and the whites.
Yes.
So this would sit perfectly in the little chair for her.
Yeah.
And it's got a bit of interest with a subtle pattern.
Yeah.
Not just a block colour, but some texture and a pattern to it.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. I love that Sarah has thought about the future. So she's designed those rooms, and it's somewhere that they're going to be able to use those spaces and grow into those spaces really beautifully without needing an update anytime soon.
The master bedroom is all about the views.
And it wouldn't be a modern Aussie resort without a killer ensuite with day spa vibes.